can see your eyes open. Bob.
Come on, Dad, open your
Hey.
eyes and do your therapy. Rochelle wants you to straighten your leg out.
Straighten your leg out.
Straighten it out and hold it up like mine. See mine? Straighten it out and hold it up. Yeah, but you have to hold it up without her holding it.
Just relax, Bob. I want you to straighten out your leg. It's just simple as that. Now it's your turn.
Dad, open your eyes and kick your foot up. Kick your leg up. Come on. There you go. Good job. Good job. Get it up there. Come on. A little bit higher. Try it again. That's what makes you strong. Exercise and rest.
Hey, Bob. Open your eyes and kick your leg. What do you want? Okay? Touch my hand with your foot. Can you do it for me? Straighten out your leg. What is that?
No, that's your arm. Straighten your leg.
Okay?
Come on, get it up there. Look at mine, Dad. Dad, look at my leg. Watch.
There you go. How
Do
about
that.
yours?
Do that with your leg. I'll do it again. Bring it up and straighten it. Dad, come on. Dad, come on. Will you do that for me, please?
I can help you.
You do that every night when we sit and talk back in the living room. You put your legs up and put them up on the chair.
This way. And put it down. And up again. And down. And up again. And it's your turn. Let's go, Bob.
Bring your foot up and touch her hand. Bring your foot up and touch her hand.
Look at my hand. Can you see it?
What?